Pivot tables can summarize 1 million rows of data into a readable report in under 3 seconds. No formulas required. Select your data. Press Alt plus N plus V, choose a location, and drag fields into rows, columns, and values. In under 60 seconds, you have a summary that would take 30 minutes with formulas. Group dates by month or quarter, filter by category, and sort by value to find top performers. Right-click any field for context-specific options that adapt to your data type. Add custom calculations like profit margin or year-over-year growth directly inside the pivot table. Calculated fields use your existing data to create new metrics without modifying the source. Slicers add clickable buttons that filter your pivot table visually. Timelines provide a date slider for time-based filtering. Both can control multiple pivot tables simultaneously. Starting from 50,000 rows of raw sales data, I build a complete pivot table report with regional breakdowns, monthly trends, calculated margins, and interactive slicers, all in real time. Pivot tables are the single most valuable Excel skill for data analysis. Hit subscribe to master more Excel features in under 20 minutes.